This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by kellyw. Beautifully reimagined farmhouse light and bright high ceilings in the living room loft overlooking the formal dining room. Large laundry area and large updated kitchen, 10+ acres of unimproved land, fruit trees and bushes. Create a perfect hobby farm. Or just get lost in the beauty. Outside is a covered patio with lovely view. Enjoy while relaxing on the patio, heavily forested, rolling hills, so many possibilities. A must see. Come experience this amazing piece of secluded heaven. Not far from town but in a world all your own. For more information, review the details below or contact kellyw at 360-533-1900.